So here's the Canadian screen door kit with the 1 1/4 inch corner installed. And if you flip it over, you can see there's a recess where the roller goes. And you'll see there's a little tang at the end of the recess that fits, the roller has to fit over. So here's the roller, has a big spring on it. And the idea is you're going to hook that spring in on the opposite side to the tang. And you got to turn this whole roller so that this area here, this whole area has got to rotate over so it fits on that tang. So I'm going to turn it against the spring pressure, trying to line it up with the camera here so you can see what's going on. Turn it over, and once it actually goes in very easily once you get the right position. And then once it slips over the tang there, you get kind of a spring suspension system that makes the door ride nice and smoothly, even if the tracks on the top and the bottom aren't exactly level. So plus it gives you the adjustment you need for leveling out the door. So that's how the roller goes on. Now the Canadian screen door kit has a lock and handles that come with it, and so that's what this is here. You've got an outside handle, and you've got an inside handle which has the lock built right into it. So when you want to install this inside handle, the frame already has a slot cut in it. So you just line up that little hook and slide the handle over so that it lines up with the holes that are already drilled in the frame. That's really all there is to putting the lock handle on. And this is something that you normally do after you put the screen in. It's one of the last things you do. And the other handle, the outside handle, that's installed on the opposite side, of course. And you'll see the holes are slightly bigger. And you just slip that thing over. The screen would normally be here. You slip that thing over so the whole thing fits together like kind of a clamshell affair. And there's 2 black screws that you use to hold it together. And they just screw the 2 handles together. Really nothing complicated about that. And then the piece here, this is a hasp that fits on the jamb of your patio door. And the idea behind that is this hasp is going to hook on to the little lever that was installed when you put the handle on. And that allows you to lock the door. Now you don't have to, if you don't want a lock on your screen door, you don't have to install this hasp. The handles work fine to open the door without it, but that's what this hasp is for. It's for situations where you want to use the lock on your screen door and you want to be able to lock the door. So that normally fits on the jamb of the patio door. And there's a couple of screws for that as well, which just allow you to screw it into the, these are sheet metal screws. So normally you'd screw them into the door jamb, and it would provide a hook so that you've got something to lock into for the screen door.